on your Android phone without losing your data. Most of the times we forget our pattern. This happens when we have recently changed our pattern and can't remember it. Using this method, I am going to show you how you can remove your pattern without doing a factory reset. For this method, you need to download Aroma Manager and place the files in your SD card. Links will be down in the description. So turn off your phone, then reboot into recovery. You can find on Google how to get into recovery mode of your phone. Here I have TWRP custom recovery installed. So go to mount and make sure that system data and SD card are mounted. Go back and select install zip from SD card and select Aroma Manager. Aroma Manager is a recovery based file manager which allows you to access the root files from recovery mode. It will open the file manager. You will be in root directory of your phone. Go to data and system and find the files with .key extension. Once you find the files, delete them and exit Aroma Manager. Now reboot your phone. I am fast forwarding the process while the phone is booting up. Once your phone starts, you can see that pattern has been deleted and now we can set a new pattern or password. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe.